What's the meaning of couplet? Couplet. Couplet.
Couplet. Couplet. A couplet is a pair of lines in a poem that usually rhyme and have the same meter. They are often used in poetry, particularly in sonnets, and can serve various purposes such as conveying a message, highlighting a theme, or creating a sense of symmetry. Traditionally, couplets were written in iambic pentameter, which consists of 5 pairs of unstressed and stressed syllables. However, modern poets often experiment with different meters and styles. Overall, couplets add structure and musicality to poetry while also providing a way to convey meaning concisely.